All right, YouTube. I just wanted to share something that I found that works pretty well for supporting your micro USB connection into your Yeti Nano. So, the problem I had before was that this connection into the Yeti Nano was like super duper loose. If you look now, though, if I wiggle that, there's like no movement at all. So what I did was basically there's a gap between the USB cable and the microphone threaded mount here. And I took some of that like silicone tape that came with this mic stand to kind of help secure the connection. Same stuff you'd use for PVC pipe or whatever. I folded some of that up to create basically a little, I don't know, just a little spacer to go between that connection and the metal piece there. Put it in between, and then I used one of these Velcro cable ties, tightened it up really good, and yeah, so that way it's getting pressure both up from the strap and down from that spacer, and it's nice and solid. So anyway, just a idea for you guys that are struggling with the same issue that I had with that loose micro USB connection. Hope it helps.